So an opportunity for interior wrapping that hasn't really been tapped into is campervans. There are 225,000 campervans in the UK alone. The scope of works, renovations is huge, and these sort of bespoke pieces of furniture can cost a lot of money to replace. So with Cover Star today, we're looking at wrapping the interiors of this one. I'll take you in and we'll have a look at what we've got so far. So as you can see, there are quite bespoke shapes in here. Now, the beauty of internal films is that it can be 3D formed. However, you've got to know what you're doing, when to use primer, which films to use, look at the durability. How are these areas used? If they are getting severe wear and tear, then you need specialist finishes. Textured work surfaces can be tricky, but again, it is choosing the right materials for the right job with the right primers. The edge banding on these units here is designed to protect the edges. You will find that there are gaps where the plastic has shrunk. These will need filling, sanding with a 2-part primer to make sure they are ready for wrapping. So what are we going to do with this? The owner has chosen cream wood, black and a white worktop. Should look very effective. So the project is now complete. The installers from our network have been in and worked their magic on some very tough shapes. We'll go in and we'll have a look at what they've done. So you can see they've gone for this cream wood with the black accents, white tabletop. You've got some really tricky areas in here, like you've got multiple compound curves even, where the material needs to stay in place and be good for years to come. So we've primed it, we've prepped it, and it looks badass. So the curved doors were fairly straightforward, but there is a raised area that was kind of filled and sanded and finished. We've also complemented that with the same tabletop in the white as we have done for the kitchen. So the works are now complete and we can hand this back over to a happy customer. We've learned a lot along the way about just how much work is needed for this sort of wrap. Don't be afraid of it though. If you get a professional to help you through, it will be wonderful.